Hello everybody, my name is ReixTheBeast and welcome to Green Hell, the game that I have been waiting for a long time to come out. For I mean like a month, or even over that, like 2 months probably. And it finally came out, and I didn't have time to record it. I would have recorded like 2 days ago, but yeah, my computer wasn't repaired, so I'm still having problems. So my audio might have a couple of problems, and I still need to fix some stuff. Alright, so let's just go to story. Day 1. Holy, what?
Okay, I'm here. Hey!
Oh.
I made it!
Is everything all right?
Yeah, you can come up.
You do know you have the walkie-talkie, right?
You can come up.
Just go ahead. I need to find something in my backpack.
Okay.
What exactly? The gear should already be at the camp.
You will know when the time comes. Patience.
Very well. You can catch up, yes? The path leads through that canyon.
I know.
Alright, well. So, you'll go here? Hi. What is that sound? Spooky. Oh, I can talk.
Have you tied down the boat?
See. Jake, I know this might sound stupid under the circumstances, but I am glad we came back here.
Yeah, I feel you. The place is beautiful. Still,
we can't forget what we came here for in the first place. I know. But as soon as we're settled in, I am off to the Yabahuaca village.
Yabahuaca village? What? Is that the name?
And what if they will not speak to us?
come on, let's not get ahead of ourselves. You're a phenomenal interpreter. If anyone can communicate with them, it's you.
Good thing I have an anthropologist at hand, Dr. Higgins.
I took Liana. Is it good? I have Liana. Give me stick. Oh. Okay. Well. Oh, lizards. I like this thing.
Okay, I found the tent.
Is everything all right?
Yeah?
The camp looks impressive. They put up a tent for us. Looks like everything's ready. Soul Trail always delivers. At first glance, it looks like we have everything we might need.
How do I get in?
Perfecto.
How do you... Oh, okay, suddenly it's dead too. Right.
Well, that's everything. We're officially settled in.
You know what that means, don't you?
I remember the agreement, but maybe we should reconsider this. I'm not sure it's the best idea for you to visit them alone.
Cariño, you know I have to do this. It's the only way to make them talk. Oh, don't worry. It'll be alright. Better pick up some wood. Let's have a romantic dinner.
Romantic canned beans.
Use your imagination.
I got a small stick. How did I say that wrong? I got a small stick. Yeah.
Hun, get the campfire started, please.
Alright. I'll get the campfire started, hon. So, where is the campfire, right? I got a machete. Oh my god. Yeah, come on now. Where's the campfire? Excuse me? Where is the campfire? Craft notebook. Small camp. Oh, it's like the forest type. Alright, well. Create. Insert.
Honey, I can't seem to find a bag or two. Are you sure you brought everything?
Yeah, I
Yeah,
am.
everything the porters left. Why? Is anything missing?
I'm not sure yet. But it feels that way.
Huh. Well, maybe you feel the other way, huh? And don't feel that way. Where do I get... Oh, another machete. I have double machete. Small stick. How do I... Where do I... I'm gonna take more Liana. I need the
Looks like
campfire is
everything's
ready.
Mia, can you bring me a lighter?
Remember when
Oh,
I
God
mentioned we seemed to be lacking some equipment?
Don't tell me.
Yeah, we have no fire.
Not a single lighter, nor box of matches. We ordered both. Did you check everywhere?
I did. You need to do
Oh.
it the old-fashioned way.
Well, not the best start of the expedition.
So I need to make fire with stones, huh? Sure. And stick or plank. Oh yeah, well that's the way too. Okay, well, hand drill, stick or plank, small stick. Okay. Use to create ember. All right. Let's get that's a long stick. Where are the sticks? They were everywhere. Got it. Alright. Oh, bird nest. Yeah, I'm gonna take it for some reason. I like bird nests, so I'm gonna steal them. So, stick or plank. Craft. Small stick. Create the fire starting tool. Hand drill. Oh, see, I'm smart.
I need to find something dry.
Leaves, right? Oh, I have. Oh, is that cracked bird? Oh, well, that's the thing. Yeah.
Bitch!
Why did you scream that thing? Ignite.
Oh, Mia! The fire is burning.
Coming. Give me a minute.
How do you
Alright.
do it.
What?
You seem so calm.
I am calm. I don't know how to explain it, but strangely, it feels safer here than there.
Oh, I don't know. Jaguars, venomous spiders, and snakes. Let's not forget the scorpions. A mere ant's bite hurts like hell.
I am well aware of that. But still, we have a chance to achieve something. Make a difference. At home, all we could have done was be helpless and wait. I prefer the wilderness.
Love
I
you.
love you. If I had known where my ambition would lead us, if I knew it would put you in danger, I wouldn't have written that damn book.
Yeah. And if everyone had that attitude, there would be no scientific progress whatsoever. Don't blame yourself. There
Oh.
might still be time to reverse the whole thing. And I love you too, Cariño.
Nonetheless, I'm a bit worried about you meeting the Yabawaka.
Everything will be fine. I need to go alone. We already agreed that's the only way. Besides, they don't seem to like you.
No.
They don't seem to like outsiders. They shot arrows at a military chopper.
Hard to blame them. Since you published your book, they've been under siege by the media, scientists, doctors. The World Health Alliance established a medical camp and probably performed research, violating the tribe's taboos. But I will convince them. I have to.
Please come in. Jake, I need you here. Jake, please. Please answer me.
Mia? What happened? Mia, speak to me. Mia!
What the?
What the hell's going on over there?
What do I? Find me? Yeah, right. Okay. That happened. Jesus. Oh.
Hello? Jake, what the hell is going on there? Come on, speak to me, Jake. ¿Por qué no me respondes?
First I need to get what's this? Oh, I get a banana again. Alright, well. Oh, I don't have small sticks. Right, okay. Hell yeah. Alright, now let's go. And get this campfire ready. Because that's what pros do, right? That's some pro stuff. So, yeah. We need to nope, that's the wrong one. That's the your notebook. We need to craft more. Never mind. I need a frame. That's good. Right here. That's alright. So first I need logs. Alright, so let's get logs. And to get logs we need cut down these trees.
Shit!
Oh, it's
Seriously?
broken. Craft. Let's craft the axe. Stone axe. And I always forget. Why did you do that? How do I... What are you doing? How do I... No, that's not the thing you wanna... Q? E? R? Oh, R is block, I guess. Yeah, it is. T. No, that's
Hello?
not...
Can anyone hear me?
Jesus.
I
Why?
had an accident. I don't know what happened. Please, help. Over.
Yeah, they ain't gonna...
Fuck.
I need F. Oh yeah, that it was F. Okay. So let's cut down trees, alright? And this is ready. We made a frame. So how about we make a roof for it, right? Palm roof. Palm roof? Yes. How many palm leaves? 16? Really? God, that's a palm, right? Thing? No. Stone trap. Small shelter. Leaf bed. Palm leaf. Alright, well I can make that. I cannot? I can. Oh, I see. Alright. Leave. Leaves. Yeah. That's what I thought. How do I craft now? Notebook. Hey, does it? Ah. Yes. Alright, well. I cannot see a thing. Let's make a campfire. And to do that, we need a. We don't have sticks, don't we? Yep, we need sticks. I'm gonna take an. What? Hey, whoa. Inspect. I have leeches. Leave. Hey, you. Stop. What are you, weirdo? Not cool. On my legs. Did they come from the water? That will make sense. Kinda? Yeah, that makes sense. Okay. Probably from the water. So I need sticks. I'm gonna make a roof first. I'm gonna go sleep. How do I sleep? Sleep.
God, I'm thirsty.
Stop whining. Inventory. See? Backpack. Banana. Eat. Now I have to eat. Hey, that unknown mushroom is apparently good. Right? See, notebook. What do you have for me? Ah. Source of carbs. Okay. Yeah, it's a sanity thing. Tear off your body. Parasites effects increase usage of macrolements. Non-treatment. Consuming plants with natural anti-parasitic properties will kill the parasites. Right. Do I have the problem? Let's hope not. Is it? We made it. Oh yeah, I must save the game. This one. Yes. Hell yeah. Now, what we need to make is...
Thirsty.
No, not yet. Okay. You ate bananas. You should... That should give you at least something, okay? You can't just be like... I'm thirsty. Like, every minute or second. Okay? Just act like a man. Alright? Can you... How do I... Yes. Drop. It was a palm leaf. It can't make that much sound, you know. Yes. Rope. Stone spear. Yes. Yeah. Ow. How? Stone spear. Can I throw it? Where? That's great. Here, fishy, fishy, fishy. Hey. It's a snail. Did I just hear a monkey? Here, fishy, fishy, fishy. Hey, fish. Come on. I'm going up. Stone. Good. Ah. Fish. I saw you. Come here. Hey. You are. Where did you go? This is how you catch fish, alright? Hey, I know what I'm doing. I got a fish! Oh my god! Hey, that was that. You are coming. Here, where did you go? You're there. Come on. Alright, well, you got away this time. See, how do I craft? Harvest? Fishbone. Oh! Okay. Expand.
Oh,
Hey, I didn't eat it! God!
thirsty.
How can I cook it? Oh, that makes sense. Can I cook snail? Oh, I can cook snail. I don't know why I tried to cook a that thing, but I tried. All right, come here. See and backpack and eat. Hell yeah! How do I? Was it? See, I forgot already. G. What? What did I throw? G is throwing. No. Hey, that's my fire. Well, I'm just gonna sit in my little place. Maybe I can kill a bird. That was close. Alright, so I guess it's time to go on an adventure, huh? Let's go. What is that?
Hungry.
Hey, I just got food, no worries. Eat it. You're fine. Yeah, 3-banded armadillo. God. Oh god. Jeez. Oh god. Oh my god. Well, nobody saw that. Okay. It's coconut. Hell yeah. Fruit. Unknown fruit. It looks like orange. What is that? It's an animal. I'm gonna kill it. Hey! It's a crab! Hey! Hey! No, come here. Unknown mushroom. That does not look like it's a good mushroom. Hi. Hello. It's a... Hey, come... You know... No, never mind. So, come here. God, they're fast. So, food, huh? It's a... I just fall asleep. You passed out. Right. Well, let's eat something.
Rest. God, I'm so hungry.
Right, yeah. Eat. Oh, that gave me hydration. I ate it. It's not great to...
God, I'm thirsty.
Oh, you are? That's sad. See. I need to drink, alright. Is that... I didn't... I did, yeah, alright. Oh. Alright. Coconut shell with flesh. That's a thing. Hey, cat. Not cool. Alright. Hamburger. Shit. I need to build a roof for this, right? Am I a smart boy? Oh, I think I am a smart boy. Yes. I am a smart boy. Good. My plan did not work out, so I'm just gonna eat snail. Too long sticks. Yeah, you have a lot of problems, man. Just be a man, alright? Stop. Stop, okay? Oh, well, great. Now I have sanity. Now I need to eat. Alright, we might be a little bit like, we might be a little bit crazy. How to get the insanity away? It's scaring me. Mom? How do I get insanity away? Alright. Hold on a minute. That's their base. I'm gonna take a stick. That's their base.
I'm not stupid. You're pathetic. Get back.
What is that? Dryer. Okay. Burnt backpack.
Ooh,
A map.
it's a map.
Oh.
At least what's left of it.
What's here? Oh, never mind.
You will fail.
Small stick. Okay. What's this? Ritual bowl. What? You're tired? What? Is I'm gonna sleep here. Even though it's not my place, but I came here to sleep, so I am here and I am sleeping.
Fuck!
What the fuck was that? Rash. I'm going home.
You'll never get back. You can't.
I am going back home. You can't stop me. Notebook, what about Rash?
You'll never get
Rash.
Are you listening to me?
Antihistaminic properties.
Hurts, doesn't it? Okay. You might take never get back.
Antihistaminic thingy. Okay. Well, I am so confused and stuff. I'm gonna figure out all this in the next episode. Yeah, I'm gonna save. That's a good thing to do. So I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next episode. Goodbye.